Well, you feel the Holy Spirit in the area. Reggae music, go on. Just make the people them get in the natural mystical mode, you see it? Your fire burning, my youth, the fire burning. Can't push me down, can't stop me sing. They on the mic, now tunes to fling through the night to the morning. You see the holy fire burning. Holy fire burning. No way to run, no place to hide. It's spread out from every side, from darkness into the light. You see the holy fire burning. Holy fire burning. I'm massive and cool, you hear me stamp on the ground. Catch a girl on your side and never let her alone. When me on the M, I see me like a rolling stone. And me destroy the houses and me come for break your bone. So me say run away, get out of the danger zone.
A gatinha do reggae, DJ Banney Roots. A gatinha do reggae. Patrocínio, Lojas Freedom Software. A loja que agrada o cliente.
Push me down, can't stop me sing. They on the mic, now tunes to fling through the night to the morning. You see the holy fire burning. Holy fire burning. No way to run, no place to hide. It's spread out from every side, from darkness into the light. You see the holy fire burning. Holy fire burning.
A máquina da sua festa.
Apoio Lanchonete Inês.
Well, this your music is a spiritual thing. So we not commercialize it, pure vibes we a bring. Right. Fire burning in the morning and in the evening. Yeah, this is just the way I and I are walking. You miss everybody.
Isto é DJ Roots.
A gatinha do reggae, DJ Banney Roots. A gatinha do reggae.
Reach Ethiopian spirit every minute, every second. Send it out to the whole world. Here from Germany land. Music over to the sky and to the heads of everyone. Can't push me down, can't stop me sing. They on the mic, now tunes to fling through the night to the morning. You see the holy fire burning. Holy fire burning.
DJ Roots. Show de DJ. Show de DJ.
A gatinha do reggae, DJ Banney Roots. A gatinha do reggae. Patrocínio Lojas Freedom Software. A loja que agrada o cliente.